example for the next property. Now this is a type of a question and it is 0 to 2 and I have taken 1 because 1 lies in between 0 and 2. Not exactly in between, it can be anywhere. Okay. So now let's check it. Now, left hand side, integration for 0 to 2 x square plus 2 dx. Now this is equal to x cube upon 3 plus 2x 0 to 2. Now 2 cube upon 3 plus 2 with 2 minus 0 plus 0. Now what this is? This becomes now 8 by 3 plus 4, this is equal to 20 by 3. Now right hand side. Right hand side is equal to 2 parts we are having. Now 0 to 1 x square plus 2 dx plus 1 to 2 x square plus 2 dx. Now we are having now this one x cube upon 3 plus 2x with 0 to 1 plus x cube upon 3 plus 2x with 1 to 2. Okay. Now let's check it. We are having now 1 upon 3 plus 2 minus 0 plus 0 plus 8 upon 3 plus 4 minus 1 upon 3 plus 2. This becomes 7 upon 3. Okay. 7 upon 3 minus 0 plus 20 upon 3 minus 7 by 3 and this is equal to 20 by 3. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. This one and this one. Okay, so property is verified.